Hello, this is Jason Guyman with Pressure Wash Cincinnati. Today we're going to walk you through how we do our process of cleaning your house. So from here you can tell that what I'm doing, I'm actually applying the soap with a low pressure. We're at about 80 to 120 psi. It's not a lot of pressure. It might be just a little bit more than what you use for your garden hose coming out of your house. So, talking about the garden hose, this is where, when we first pull up out on the street, we will take our blue hose and we will hook it to your water faucet on the front of your house or wherever the closest one is to the street. We always try to park on the street so we're not in your driveway, not in your way. So you say, well, how do you get my house clean? Well, we use a vinyl siding cleaning detergent that cleans the house for us. We apply it here, as you can see that I'm applying it from the bottom to the top so that way it does the best cleaning. So you say, how high can you reach? Well, we can get 2 to 3 stories high. So now I'm actually walking back to my truck to turn the soap off, so that way I can use the same low pressure that I used applying the soap to rinse the house. You can already see that the funk that was on the house is gone. Here I'm just going to start rinsing, and when I do, I rinse from the top down to the bottom, making sure that all the dirt and all the crud is all gone, making your house the cleanest in the neighborhood. That's what you want. You don't want to be the dirty house in the neighborhood. So that's why we use soft washing, so that way you will have the cleanest house in the neighborhood. So all I'm doing here is I'm just rinsing down with low pressure again, 80 to 120. So not a lot of pressure. Where we can get our height is through the volume. We're actually flowing about 8 gallons a minute. You know, your little Home Depot pressure washer only flows about 1.8 to 2.3 gallons a minute. So we're actually using high flow, low volume. So yes, we do use a pressure washer, but we're only flowing about 120 psi, and we're flowing at 8 gallons a minute. Here is the before pictures of the dirty house. The railing, the windows, over the garage, the porch, and here's the beautiful after pictures of a nice, clean, prestige, beautiful house in the neighborhood.